A very good morning, dear children. We have already discussed the chapter The Little Prince in the PowerPoint presentation. Now I am going to explain you from the book. Let us see. Once, when I was 6 years old, I saw a magnificent means extremely beautiful, picture in a book called True Stories from Nature. So what was the name of the book? True Stories from Nature. About the primeval forest. What is the meaning of the primeval? What is the meaning of the word primeval? Primeval means a period when the earth just came into existence. It was a picture of a boa constrictor. What is a boa constrictor? A boa constrictor is a very large snake. Okay. In the act of swallowing an animal. So you can see this picture. So this is the snake boa constrictor and it is in the act of swallowing an animal over here. Okay. Here is a copy of the drawing. So this is the, you can say it's a copy of the drawing of the boa constrictor swallowing an animal. In the book it said, boa constrictors swallow their prey. Prey is some animal which is the food of some other animal. Clear? Like deer is the prey of tigers or lions. So, prey means an animal which is the food of another animal. So, what it was mentioned in the book, it was mentioned that boa constrictors swallow their prey whole without chewing it. Chewing means biting and working inside the mouth. When you swallow the food, you chew the food first and then you swallow it, right? So boa constrictor didn't chew the food. It only swallowed the food, okay? After that, they are not able to move. So when the boa constrictor swallowed an entire animal whole without chewing, it is very obvious that it will not be able to move after that. And they sleep through the 6 months that they need for digestion. So after swallowing the food whole, what they did, they slept for 6 months so that they could digest the food that they have swallowed. Okay? Next. I pondered deeply. Pondered means thought. I thought deeply. Then over the adventures of the jungle. So at the age of 6 years, the author thought deeply about the adventures of the jungle. And after some work with a colored pencil, I succeeded. I succeeded means achieved the desired result in making my first drawing. So after thinking a lot, thinking deeply, what the author did, he finally made this picture. This is my drawing number 1. It looked something like this. So this is the author's first drawing about the boa constrictor, where it has swallowed an animal. Which is that animal? It's an elephant. Swallowed an elephant and it is sleeping now. It cannot move. So from the imagination of a little child of 6 years, he drew this picture. I showed my masterpiece. Masterpiece means a work of outstanding artistry. Means too beautiful drawing. Okay. I showed my masterpiece to the grown-ups. Grown-ups means adults. And asked them whether the drawing frightened them. So after showing this drawing, he asked his grown-ups that whether they were actually afraid of the drawing. But they answered, frightened? Why should anyone be frightened by a hat? So what the grown-up said? Grown-up said, why will we be afraid of a hat? This absolutely looks like a hat, so why should we be afraid of a hat? My drawing was not a picture of a hat. It was a picture of a boa constrictor digesting an elephant. So now the Author says that, but my picture was not of a hat. It was of a boa constrictor digesting an elephant. But since grown-ups were not able to understand it, I made another drawing. So what was his main concern? His main concern was that the grown-ups did not understand what he wanted to explain to them. So he made another drawing, and now what he made? He made a drawing in which the inside, the stomach of the boa constrictor is visible with the elephant. Okay. I drew the inside of a boa constrictor so that the grown-ups could see it clearly. They always need to have things explained. My drawing number 2 looked like this. So what does he say? He says that now I have to explain to the grown-ups about what am I doing. They don't have that much sense, they don't have that much wisdom to understand what a child is doing or child is thinking. And then what was the reaction of the grown-ups? The grown-ups' response this time was to advise me to lay aside my drawings of boa constrictors, whether from the inside or outside, and devote myself instead to geography, history, arithmetic and grammar. So the adults suggested him that it's better you stop drawing the boa constrictor either from outside or inside. It's better you pay attention to your studies. That is why at the age of 6, I gave up what might have been a magnificent career as a painter. So finally what he did, he gave up his idea of drawing. I had been disheartened. Disheartened means discouraged, okay? Disappointed. I had been disheartened by the failure of my drawing number 1 and my drawing number 2. So he was disappointed, he was sad because he failed to explain the grown-ups about what he has drawn. Grown-ups never understand anything by themselves, and it is tiresome for children to be always and forever explaining things to them. So he said that it's very difficult to explain the grown-ups about what the children thought. So then I chose another profession. So finally he chose another profession. Profession means a paid occupation. And learned to pilot aeroplanes. So he finally became a pilot. I have flown a little over all parts of the world. So he flew all over the world. More or less all the parts of the world he flew. And it is true that geography has been very successful to me. How geography was successful? Because at a glance means at a blink of an eye. Okay, with a hurried look, he could differentiate, he could distinguish China from Arizona. Even in the darkness of night, it was not difficult for him to distinguish. In the course of this life, I have a great many encounters with a great many people who have been concerned with matters of consequence. So, here he has met many people who are important in their own fields, means who are designated dignitaries in their own fields, who are very important people. And I have lived a great deal among grown-ups, and he has lived among the grown-ups. Obviously, he has also grown up now, so he is living among the grown-ups. I have seen them intimately. Intimately means very closely, very minutely. So he has met them very closely, close at hand. But that hasn't much improved my opinion of them. So what was his opinion about the grown-ups? That they don't understand until and unless they are explained about everything in detail. Okay, children?